student, so we have a question over here. Question says, okay, you just have a doubt in this steps or how solve this step. Kim, please explain me. Okay, so before that, I'll write the first step. So 2kqd, 2kq capital D, and in bracket we have 1 upon d square. This is d square plus small d square raised to the power 3 by 2. Okay, minus 1 upon d square plus d square. Okay, 1 upon d plus this minus 1 upon d square plus 4d square. Okay, d square plus 4d square raised to the power 3 by 2. That is the step we have. Now we need to solve one more. So d is very greater than small d. Now the thing is, this is as it is. We are writing this as it is, 2kq capital D. And now the important thing, if you look at here, I'm taking capital D, this D out of the box. If I'm taking this out, first of all, let's do one thing. I'm just writing d square as it is, and in bracket I got 1 plus d square by capital D square. Is that good? Means the bracket is on the entire thing. Okay, I'll solve this here only. We have, now I'm separately solving this, d square plus d square raised to the power 3 by 2. So the what I am going to do in this is d square 1 plus d square by d square. Can I read this as like this, 3 by 2 whole? Okay, because if you solve this thing, so d square into 1 is d square, d square multiplied by this entire thing becomes this, correct? Let's solve for the next step. So I can write this as whole raised to the power 3 by 2, 1 plus d square by capital D square raised to the power 3 by 2. So here we are getting just d cube, and in bracket we are getting d square by capital D square raised to the power 3 by 2. That's what I'm going to do here only. So I'll just I'm just writing it directly now, because we already have solved that. 2kq capital D by, now I can write d cube here, and in bracket I have what? I have actually 1 plus d square by d square. 1 divided by 1 plus d square by d square raised to the power 3 by 2. Is that correct now? And same we have done in the next thing. Okay, now again, if you solve this part, let's solve this one. Here we have d square plus 4d square raised to the power 3 by 2. Let's solve this. So I'm taking again d square out, so we are getting with 1 plus 4d square by capital D square raised to the power 3 by 2, actually whole raised to the power 3 by 2, correct? Now the very next step will be, I can write this as d square raised to the power 3 by 2 and 1 plus 4d square by capital D square raised to the power 3 by 2. So I can write d cube 1 plus 4d square by d square raised to the power 3 by 2. That's what I'm, d cube we have already taken common. So 1 plus 4d square by capital D square raised to the power 3 by 2. That's how we have solved this step. And that is your question. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.